Hello and welcome to the launch of pre-orders for SkribbleMono. So SkribbleMono is possibly for me the best coding font that exists, even at this current stage. It's a completely unique take on what it means to be a developer. It brings out the inner child. It makes coding and looking at your code and reading your code and discovering new code fun again. And it's all available for pre-order right now. I'm going to give you the details at the end of this, but firstly, let's take a look at this amazing font. So why did we create Scribble? So Scribble, you can look at it here. It's beautiful, right? Look at that. Just oh, lovely. So we created Scribble, my team and I, and especially thanks to Rita, who's the designer behind the beautiful stuff you see in front of you. So we created Scribble in order to capture that essence of what it means to be a developer. You've been working hard, you've been doing things that are difficult, and we just want you to remember why you started. That childlike curiosity that pushed you to learn things when maybe others were doing things that may seem more fun in the short term. So Scribble is about recapturing that sense of what it means to be a developer, an engineer, a designer, any technical thing that looks at text for long periods of time. So Scribble is beautiful. So, and there's more to it as well. Let's just turn on some ligatures, because again, every self-respecting developer needs ligatures in your life. So you can immediately see that we have just the expected ligatures, and it goes beyond that. So let me zoom in a bit on the font. And if I type equals, ooh, ligature. If I type not equals, ooh, ligature. If I type not equals, ooh, ligature. Equals, ligature. I could go on. If I type pipe equals, ligature. If I type greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. If I type, what else is there? Squiggly arrow. If I type arrow. Anyway, the list goes on. There's over 60 ligatures as part of this font. And that's just amazing. So your code is going to be expressive. It's going to look good. And you can turn it off if you feel like it doesn't serve a purpose it was designed for. Now, let's look at one of my favorite features of this font. Again, we're building something that's irreverent. We're trying to remind you and us as developers and designers and engineers why we got started in the first place. So I'm going to turn on alternate characters, save a file. You probably already see the change, but let me pretend you haven't. So if I zoom in and let's type my name. So my name is Iffy, and you can see there's hearts above the eyes. We wanted to inject a bit of love into your coding environment and give you the option to be as irreverent as you want to be, to create a font that reflects who you are when you're in your most expressionful and joyous moments in coding. So J's and I's are dotted with hearts and many more innovations to come. We're really excited for you to try out Scribble. I'm really excited to be part of this. This is the font I've always wanted to use in my editor. Since the minute it was ready to be used, I've been using it as my only font in everything I do. We use it on the website, and I'm going to use it for everything going forward. I really want you to be a part of helping Scribble become even better, and that's what pre-orders are about. We're going to give a 50% discount for anyone who takes part in the pre-order. You'll be able to give us feedback, let us know what you think, and really shape the future and the design of this font to make it even more than it is today. Excited to have you on board. Thank you for watching, and check out scribble.dev in order to buy.